Act like your dad.
What's up, everybody? Stixx here. We're here doing my first storage unit video, and we're collabing with Storage Stalker and the Pirate.
He looks a little nervous. Loosen up. Shake it off. Hoarder unit, baby.
Hoarder unit, and it's a police unit, actually.
Ooh, cop unit.
The unit's been sitting for about like 20 years, and they paid about like $3,000 for the unit. All right, and I'm gonna be unboxing a couple items and being nice enough to let me use a couple boxes, and yeah.
And whenever we find the greatness, we're gonna show it.
You're gonna show everything, every square inch.
Every last little inch.
10 by 25 or whatever. All right, they gave me a bag to go through, and let's see what's in here. Let's just see what's in here. What are these, like invitations, like wedding invitations? We got the envelope and like the notes, the cards. Okay, pretty fancy, pretty fancy. I'll stay before I have my wedding. All right, what else do we have in here? Ooh, some pictures. This might be the person that bought the unit. Or this might be the person's unit, I mean. Alright. Some religious type things. What are these, a bunch of cards? Dang, that National Law Enforcement Officers Memorial Fund. Alright.
Let's go, baby. First,
Just a bunch of different cards. 2019 member. Alright, so that means they were in this unit within the past couple years. Can your Storage Stalker in the back? Fortunately, I'm not that loud anymore. What else do you have in here? Dang, looks like they're finding some good stuff over there. Some cards, alright. I think these might just be like personal cards. I don't know if I should just be looking through like this. I'm not sure. These seem like they're just personal greetings, like hello, how's it? Yeah. It definitely is.
It says Sterling 925, no name, not stamped, but that is.
Yeah.
That's a good sign considering you found that in the side.
Acute pain management. What is that?
Side pocket jewelry.
Because I feel like, I don't even know what that means.
We're like almost.
If that's for your back, I'll just give it to my dad.
That is actually very good.
Seasons of the Heart. I think it's like a personal box, Dad. These are like some greetings right there. What does this mean? Does this mean for your back?
Acute pain management. Yeah, so basically they had back problems. Are you trying to say I need to read?
Yeah, that's what I was like, I'll give this to you.
Alright. Yeah, I can see what you're talking about. Alright. Everything is personal?
I think most of this is personal
like personal
stuff.
give back or like personal throwaway? Like, this is not technically
No, I know that's not personal, but these are like cards going to the person, just like saying, what's up? I don't know, let's see, this one's Dear Mary. Thank you for being you. And I don't know if they really care too much about it.
Let's yeah, let's just.
Yeah. Alright, where'd I put this bag at?
You find anything good? That's what I found.
Dang.
Okay, check your boy out.
Dang, look at that.
Straight out of Victoria's Secret.
Lucky?
You know how it was lucky?
Lucky, I want that.
You know how you walk one of these like this? Did you say you're lucky?
Yeah, I want that. Alright. Got some Christmas stuff. This unit seems to have a bunch of seasonal things. They had some 4th of July stuff. They've had some St. Patrick's stuff. Now we got some Christmas stuff. Seems like the person's very organized about their things. They had to organize movies too. Some decorations. You never know. The pirate might want to keep some of this stuff. My dad usually loves to keep just seasonal stuff just so we can decorate it. Not have to buy our own things. A bunch of Christmas lights. A bunch of Christmas lights. Orange Christmas lights, alright. These ones might be for like Halloween, I don't know. Damn, these are some cooler lights. Didn't mean to say that. Ooh, this is a star. It's like Cowboys. Michaela, this is all for you. Just kidding, Michaela, you ain't watching this. Ooh, another star. Red star. And a blue star. Just a bunch of ornaments, More LED lights. Okay, this is just a box of Christmas lights, it looks like. Bunch of Christmas lights.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Christmas.
Michael Bear's on. He knows how to do that.
I can do that. That's all me. That's the one thing I can do. Alright. Not a bad bag, you know, just Christmas stuff. Bam! Another bag. Another bag. Woo! Some glassware. We got a plate. Which is like an orange, yellowish plate. It's cool. Or a bowl. I don't know why I said plate. It's a bowl. Ooh, what is this full of? This is normally full of like just like crafting materials. Let's see what's in here. Oh wow. It's full of crafting materials. And we're not full of them. Some pictures. Some random things. There's always some random things in here. You always think it's like cookies or something, and it's just not cookies. Mysteries of the ancient world. Unlock history's oldest secrets. Wow. How fascinating. Pardonable lies. Alright. Ooh. Jacqueline Windspear and Incomplete Revenge. Okay. Got like a series going on. The Empty House. The Carousel. Alright. Ooh. What do we got in here? Woo. Nice little teddy bear cup. Alright. What's that for, like tea? This is such a small cup. Maybe just for looks. There's no way someone is drinking out of this. Oh, we got a little chip. The pirate is coming to check in on me. We got some more books. We got a bunch of books by Rosamund.
Dang, that would have actually been kind of cool, Michael.
Jacqueline, wait, what?
That piece would have been cool if you didn't break it.
Oh, I broke it. You guys saw it. Jacqueline Windspear. We got a bunch of books by these same people. To Die But Once.
When you find like really cool stuff like that, just set that aside. You already went through this, right?
Yeah.
Make sure you
silver?
check every pocket. It's not silver, but
it's a cool piece, though. It's a cool piece.
it's a vintage belt buckle, mister.
What remains? Jacqueline Windspear, the American Agent. We got like the whole series. I might have to set those aside to see if the whole series is worth anything. Ooh, family quotations. Or familiar quotations. I cannot read, sorry. Whoa. What is this book full of? Just random quotes? What the heck? That's crazy. Alright, let's put this in so actually it all fits. Let's see if there's anything in these pockets. If there's anything missed. We got a LAN. We got like a LAN cable. Something for your house. Alright, nothing missed in any of the pockets either. Alright, what do we got in here? Dang, what is this? I think it's just one big item. Let's see if we can get this out safely. I don't mess it up. Nice. I don't know if I want to take that out and damage it. This is a nice looking Christmas piece though. Look at that, you can see it clearly. I don't want to mess it up. I can't pull it out really. It's hard. Oh, it's slightly damaged though. This is broken right here. Cool Christmas decoration. I can't pull it out. It's like it's like just as big as the bottom of the bag, and I don't really want to break it. We'll leave it in there. It's a cool decoration though.
$10 an item when we have 10,000 items. I don't think it's ever even opened.
Alright, they found a cool little jewelry box. Let's see what I can find in here. Boom, boom. Bam. Alright, it looks like it's just gonna be personal mail. I don't know though. Oh, Mary O'Brien. Yep. Christmas ornament, alright.
All the signs are pointing to a crazy.
Is this silver though? Probably not. Yeah, no. Hey, cool. This Christmas ornament though. Cool little ornament. Wounded Warrior Project. Yeah, somebody's, maybe like her husband or someone in her family was definitely like a police officer or something. Had to have been. I'm not too sure what I could show that is not personal stuff. All this seems to be personal mail and stuff. At least this box. Look at these chopsticks. Hey, chopsticks. I don't know how to use these. Something like this. I don't think you put your finger in between. Go like. Oh wait, that's how you do it right there. I got it. Cool, cool. Some more American flags. What is this, a dollar coin? Hey, look at it, I made $1.
Better than stock.
Yeah, but where is the place?
We gotta put this on the table.
Oh, are these OR straps?
Are they OG straps?
Oh, are
Or are they not?
I don't know. Oh, wait, what is, there's something in here.
Ferrets of them all.
Uh-oh, it's not looking at me.
Ooh, wait, what are these?
I think your mirror's broke.
Wait a minute. I have no idea if these are real, but I can ask somebody. Let's go ask real quick, actually. Yo, Dad, are these real? These some like pearl earrings. I don't know.
I can't show them. You have to go to Michael's channel.
We're just sending this little baggie.
To be honest, Michael. Well, first thing, let me put the camera on me. Slightly gritty, but my eyes will not work as well as yours. But look on the stem. It does look like this is silver. There's probably words. See how there's letters there? I think those are 925. So,
all right.
Make sure your camera's showing it. Is there more in there?
No, this is just like, this is in between like mail and stuff. This is silver, yeah. It does say 925. This is a cool little find. These are silver. Not sure if they're pearl. That's a cool little find. Some silver earrings. Not bad, not bad. Let's keep going. Some more mail, some more mail. I don't really feel like just going through their mail. That's messed up, you know? This is like, this isn't mail anymore. Unless it is. Maybe this is their like cards and stuff. I think this is just cards they've saved, yeah. I think they just have a bunch of these cards saved. Yeah, they do. This is a bunch of little cards. Anything else hidden in here though? Anything else hidden? Alright, this one's done.
Oh yeah, please set stuff like that. Was there any stamps in there?
I thought these were stamps. I don't think these are stickers.
Okay, yeah.
I don't think they're stamps. And these were silver. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Alright, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Oh, these are like one of the, I forget what these are called. Like the Rush dolls, I think. I forget what they're called. These things are sick though. You just open it. You open it. Oh, there's only 2. I can just keep going and going. Marilyn Monroe cup.
We're getting closer and closer with the box. Don't tease me like that.
Oh my.
A badge.
Lord.
He said Beezy's.
I wonder if that's one of their badges. Pretty cool. Fridge magnet.
A lot of people commenting about how they don't like that. Oh my god. I've been trying to watch myself on this.
Another cup, another cup. O'Brien. That's her last name, I think. Cassette players. Alright, pretty good totes. Honestly, these 2 small totes are pretty solid. I was not expecting what I found. I was expecting just some mail and just go back real quick. Alright, everybody, we found a jewelry box full of amazing jewelry, and they are letting me pull out a drawer for myself. Yeah, let's get the bottom one. Let's get the bottom one. Oh, wait.
Wiggle, wiggle. Don't fold.
Uh-oh. How do I get it out?
Wiggle, wiggle.
I don't want to.
You gotta kind of pull on it.
You guys take it. I don't want to mess up your stuff.
It's
All
not
right,
coming
get it
out. You might have to go do it there.
That's what I was thinking.
Break it, Mike.
You got it, Dad?
No, it's the
Maybe I
other
gotta get
one.
the third one.
All right, try like that, Michael.
All right, let's see. What do we have in here? We have in here made in Korea. So I'm guessing this isn't real. Let's see what we got here.
Ooh,
A little pin.
it might be silver.
That is.
What would I look at?
It will be on the edges, maybe somewhere. Make sure when you're trying to look, you also. Yeah, there you go.
Let's see. I don't see anything.
It's still beautiful.
Still a nice
Just
piece.
call it silver.
Ooh, is that military, Michael?
Oh, look at that. United States Deputy Sheriffs. All right, all right.
The freaking tracking device are coming for us now.
Wait, does it say sterling silver? It does. Look at that.
What do you call that?
Is it a pin?
It's got a cloisonne style
Dang,
to
this
it.
thing looks cool.
Wow,
This thing
that's nice. Is that silver?
Look at that. I hope so. What did I look at? The clasp?
The clasp in the back.
I don't see anything.
All right, still beautiful.
Still a nice looking piece, yeah.
All of it is beautiful.
This could be gold.
How do I tell if it's gold?
Usually gold will be stamped. Unless it's really older gold and it's still stamped in, but it'll be stamped. You guys sound like your dad, huh?
Learning.
I don't think it is.
Those are sometimes gold.
Those are, and those are nice. There could be multiple brands of those. Tafari is a good one.
Trafari?
Tafari.
I don't see anything either.
Very costumey.
Yeah, this is a costume
drawer
jewelry
was
drawer.
very-
Oh, I see one good piece for sure.
I'll find it.
I'll find it.
I'll find it. Don't point it out.
Don't point it out.
This looks like a nice piece. I don't see any marking on there
I see
either.
that one.
This is the nice piece he's talking about.
Yes, it is. That is a beautiful piece.
925
Ooh, and what are the initials? That's a signature.
LB.
Ooh, that's a Native American.
Oh,
jewelry
look
maker.
at that gem.
LB, Long Beach.
You see how it has the three, that's very Native American with amber.
That's beautiful.
Very nice.
I thought this was cool because you know what that is? It's like freaking wheat. It's like, look at how
wheat.
like.
You know what?
they-
I watched Jurassic World last night, and it was the wheat was.
You
very-
guys went to the movies last night?
We almost did too. All right, nice drawer, nice drawer.
Is that it, Michael?
Nice find,
think so.
Mike. Nice find.
All right, we are only about like 1 or 2 feet in the unit, and we are wrapping it up. Shout out to Storage Option Pirate and Storage Stalker for letting me be a part of the video.
Hello.
I'll see you guys next video.